भाई साहब, कंपनी का टैक्स रेट क्या है?
कंपनी का टैक्स रेट ये डिपेंड करता है आप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहे हैं या ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं। 17% से 26% तक का टैक्स रेट है प्लस सरचार्ज एजुकेशन सेस।
इतना टैक्स? हे राम।
So friends, we just now discuss what are the tax rate in respect of company. If you are company, then you can avail beneficial tax rate under section 115 BAB. In that case, tax rate is only 16.16%. If you are manufacturer and your company incorporate after 1st October 19. If you are not a manufacturer, then tax rate is 25.168% under section 115 BAA. In that case, manufacture condition is not there. So additional benefit like additional depreciation, unabsorbed depreciation, claiming other deduction, carry forward losses is not allowed in these cases. If you are claiming your turnover is more than 400 crore, then your tax rate is 26% and MAT rate is 15%. MAT rate is also 15% in respect of uh, companies claiming benefit under section 115B. So for the purpose of claiming benefit under section 115 BAB, you must be a manufacturer or your company must be incorporated after 1st October 2019. If you are not a manufacturer, you are a trader, your profit is liable to tax 25.16%. In both the cases, MAT is not applicable. So MAT is applicable only in case of your turnover is exceeding 400 crore and you are not fall under section 115 BAA or BAB. In that case, 15% MAT plus surcharge education cess is applicable. Dividend distribution tax is already abolished with effect from 1st April 2020. MAT credit is not available since not liable to tax in respect of BAA, BAB. So MAT credit is available only in case of you are liable for MAT. When is MAT is liable to tax? Your book profit. We need to compute book profit tax MAT as per 115 JB provision, and income tax, whichever is higher you liable for tax, and difference between tax on book profit and tax on income tax is called MAT credit. So this is the MAT credit and you can carry forward in respect of your business. So this is the tax structuring we need to do. What the beneficial tax rate is applicable. Suppose you want to claim 115 BAB, BAA, then you must file a option to avail benefit before the due date of income tax return. Due date for income tax return is, if you are uh, liable for tax audit, 15th January, and uh, for tax audit filing, and 15th February for ITR filing, 31st January for if you are liable for tax transfer pricing study, transfer pricing or tax audit, and 28th February for ITR filing if your TP audit is applicable. So this is the cut short provision applicable in respect of company. So we can now just discuss what are the beneficial provision is applicable in respect of firm or in respect of company. So suppose you are a firm, your tax rate is much higher, 31 to 34% based on surcharge, and MAT is also applicable in respect of firm LLP. AMT taxation is applicable. Normal tax is in respect of companies for this rate. So balance you can take away from to your home is different in different cities. So friends, we suggest you do your tax analysis, which sector you fall and which tax rate is beneficial for you. If you are in manufacturing sector and owning an older company, then your tax rate might be higher. So what I suggest, to get it 115 BAB new provision and form a new company and enjoy better tax rate. Hope so you like this video. You can subscribe my channel so that in future all video we will make for more interested topic for you. You will also click bell icon button, then you will get all notification for my new encouraging video for you. Thank you. Goodbye.